All right, so folding clothes. I don't mind doing laundry, but the folding part, it kills me. There's a machine out here at CES, going to be out at the end of next year, called the Foldimate. They're not sure about the exact price right now, maybe in the 900s. What's amazing about this thing is you come over with your clothes. So, for example, let's say this is my son's shirt. I come over, I clip it right in, done. Look how easy it is to watch. Takes the wrinkles out, it folds it perfectly. Watch this one. These annoy me. Have you ever tried to fold these things? They're soft, they never seem to fold perfectly. You come over here, you clip it in again, boom, done. It goes right in, gets the wrinkles out, and here's the best part, watch this. Come out here, you open it up, it comes out perfectly folded. I mean, can you imagine how cool my closet would look? How happy my wife would be? This is the kind of thing that CES, that catch people's eye, and you could see potentially in your own home in the near future. For FoxNews.com, at Consumer Electronics Show, I'm Adam House.